All right, well, we're on to the next phase of our ram pump project. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna build a diversion ditch right where that level is with soil we have on hand. And we're gonna try to get the water to come around the right-hand side where those hoses are. And then we'll backfill between the level and this little gap right here with concrete. So by filling that all in with concrete, I'm hoping it'll stop the water flowing, it'll hold the pipe secure, and then water will go around when it overflows. All right, it's not good to be using your hands mixing concrete. It'll dry them out real bad, but I had to do what I had to do. So I'm gonna mix up 2 more bags and put it here, and then hopefully the water will start diverting that way. I didn't film dumping that. It's just rough terrain right here. It's hard to get the camera set up. But I'm gonna go ahead and build the dam here now. Ideally, want the water going that way. I'm gonna pull these out for now. I want this to fill up while I'm here. So one thing I'm noticing already, and I gotta be careful jiggling this pipe, is I'm sucking in leaves. You can see the water's already filling up to where these are now underwater. So you can see what I've done here. You know, I've got the pipe with the reverse intake, similar design to what you can see on Land to House, their YouTube channel. And you know, the water right now is flowing through that pipe. So you can see it goes through this dam. And then you can see I'm already capturing that water. So I'm gonna let this set, but at some point I can tap into that and run my 2-inch line to my ram pump. So yeah, what should happen here is as the water continues to rise, if the pipe can't keep up, then it's actually gonna run over here on the right hand side. And I'm gonna dig out that bank a little bit more, so just that there's a greater volume of water that can go around the side of the dam until this concrete can set. But it went pretty well. We'll see how well it holds up. You know, I'll watch for areas where water is going to travel along the pipe. You know, I probably could have put a collar or something on it to keep that from happening. But, you know, I'm just going to do the best I can, capture as much water as I can, and just kind of deal with this drought that we're in. So I'll dig that out, and then I'll probably call it a day. All right, well, it's been about 45 minutes to get all this done. So we'll let this set overnight, and tomorrow we'll hook up our 2-inch supply line that'll run to our ram pump, and then we'll finish out the rest of the system. So hope you're enjoying these videos.